Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, a lot of you may recall that the Malamis that are in charge of the Nigerian state a few months ago tried to make capital punishment of anybody that was critical of the way they were administering the Nigerian state. They failed, of course, because public opinion within Nigeria and international opinion, of course, weighed against this, because it is the very antithesis of our freedom of speech and free expression and being critical of governance. So they had to shelve that, but of course they shelved it, but they have not completely buried it. So here it is being rebutted again. As guys, I bring you this breaking: police arrest 3 for insulting President Buhari. So now, being critical of the president of a country is now an arrestable offense, of course, within the Nigerian state. Imagine this within the American space, where everybody is critical of Donald Trump. That means the whole of the entirety of the American population will be behind bars if this Nigerian system was in place in America. So again, the headline: police arrest 3 for insulting President Buhari. So now let's now see what sort of amusement the Malamis are about to dish out to us this time around. Police have arrested Lawal Abdulaziz Izala, male, 70, so an octogenarian. I think octogenarian is what you call a 70-year-old person, isn't it? If I'm wrong, please correct me in the comment section. Bahi JJ Abu, male, aged 30, and Hamza Abubakar, male, aged 27, all of Gafia quarters, Katsina State, for insulting President Muhammadu Buhari and the executive governor of the state, Aminu Bello. The trio were said to have insulted Buhari in a viral video on social media. So this is now the short and sweet of it, or short and sour, should I say. But then, of course, so insulting Buhari now is an arrestable offense within the Nigerian state. I have often said that all of the apparatus of state, the DSS, the NSA, and all of the security apparatus, and all of indeed the apparatus of the Nigerian state, have one remit and one remit alone, and that is to continue to perpetuate Malam Buhari in power. So this is something that has always happened. We saw that with Mahmoud Yakub, when he just declared Buhari the president against the will of the Nigerian people. We saw that with the Chief Justice of the Federation, who said forget whether that the Nigerian Constitution asked for school start, whether Buhari asked school start or not, it will so we've had that all the way through. We had that with the Showore experience, and we had that and we have had that routinely throughout all of the experiences since 2015. A lot of these people, their only interest, their sole interest, is to continue to perpetuate Buhari in power. And the only reason why they are looking to continue to perpetuate Buhari in power is not because they especially like him or respect him, but because they see him as a dullard, as an easy picking, that is just somebody that's going to sit there. They massage his ego a little bit because they know his IQ is very low. So they massage his low IQ and they just continue to raid relentlessly the Nigerian coffers. And they knew, of course, that if Atiku Abubakar became the president of Nigeria in 2019, then of course immediately all of them would have gone to jail, because the level of looting that is going on under this administration would put Abacha, Babangida, and Goodluck Jonathan equally to shame. It would to shame all of them. They will feel like saints in comparison to what is going on now. So these people are just having a stealing spree. Open. They're just gorging on the Nigerian wealth and the Niger Delta oil money, and for them to continue to do that and protect themselves, they have to have this dullard, very ill and very frail and confused man called Muhammadu Buhari to continue to be in that presidential spot. The short little man from Edo, Oshomole, I mean, imagine what will happen to him at Atiku won the presidency. This guy now, he will be jailed and flogged daily. Imagine what will happen to Tanko Mohammed if Atiku, he will be jailed and flogged daily. Abubakar Malami, he will be jailed and flogged daily. Abakari, he will be jailed and flogged daily. Babachir Lawal, he will be jailed and flogged daily. Boss Musta, all of them. So all of these people, to preserve their self-interest and to preserve their well-being, they have to have this dullard called Malam Buhari to continue to be in power. So anything now critical of him is something that will be weighed down on heavily, and this is what we're seeing happening in this instance as well. Conversations in the comment section being critical of Malam Buhari is liable to land you in kirikiri within the Nigerian space. That is what we're talking about here. Come share thoughts, but before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns grey. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you're making of this abokiism of the Nigerian space, the jamjawidification of the Nigerian governance in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.